megalayapost.news.
Society for Community Mobilization for Sustainable Development, New Delhi. Ringkat kejingan trelang ber ke Center Agricultural University Imphal, mentagasngi kelas dang ya National Seminar balai sengi linter halor kapang Futuristic Agriculture Technology Sustainable and Beyond banyathir retai halor kalawai jang karep karyang bandang kentiu shishu lingba kejing penankam ya ki kor ki bor katkum gejuk start bamenta bakari jengi kan poho hakimar rep bat kimarbam. Hakte ke National Seminar balak pelong ha College of Postgraduate Studies in Agricultural Science, Umyam, Lasdangru, Dagajing Thang Sharak, Balawan Banshimta, do Dr. Sanjay Kumar, Chairman ke ASRB, New Delhi, Kumkongsan, Haringat ke Jingandolang ki he officer Karep Karyang, ki Kraw Perkhat, Kinong Rep Nakaleng Gari India, ki Blaki Ushaprang, ha Karep Karyang, Bat Kibay. Habakren Hangate Kisingi, Nagalyong Sanjay Kumar, Kumkongsan, Ulong, Lingba Kani Kisingi, Niyo I, Gajingkiw Karep Karyang, ha Kari India, Brakaway, Kabaw Rispa, Hagajipinmi, Yekimarep, Babunjaj, Badankam, Bandang Penjana, ya karep karyang hakari da kaba penan kamru ringkat baga jingstart kat kum gejuk bamenta
लैंड होल्डिंग के साथ हमें आगे बढ़ना है तो काफी कुछ करने की आवश्यकता है और उन सभी विषयों पे इस सोसाइटी के द्वारा 3 दिन में यहाँ पे चर्चा होगी और उस चर्चा में खासतौर से कहीं ना कहीं गांव से शहर की तरफ मूवमेंट हुआ है उसको वापस ले जाने के बारे में भी सोचना होगा। यदि हम ऐसा कर पाए तो वो संभव हो सकता है और उसी के लिए हमें ऑप्टिमाइज करना है रिसोर्सेज का और केवल प्रोडक्शन बढ़ाने की बात तक सीमित ना रहते हुए कहीं न कहीं चाहे बायोडाइवर्सिटी डे है और सबको मैं मुबारकबाद भी देना चाहूँगा, बधाई देना चाहूँगा कि आज अंतर्राष्ट्रीय जैव विविधता दिवस भी है। इस विषय पर इसका उद्घाटन हुआ उसके लिए भी आपको बहुत बहुत बधाई। और बायोडाइवर्सिटी को यदि हम मेंटेन करते हैं, सस्टेन करते हैं, साथ में क्लाइमेट को भी देखते हैं, ये सब हो क्यों रहा है? कहीं ना कहीं हमें अपनी जरूरतों की तरफ भी ध्यान देना है। कहीं ऐसा तो नहीं कि हम अंडर न्यूट्रिशन की बात कर रहे हैं, कम खाने की बात पूरा पहुंच नहीं रहा है, तो कहीं शायद हम कुछ ज्यादा कंज्यूम खुद भी कर रहे हैं, उसको भी ध्यान में देने की आवश्यकता है। क्या ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि जब हम इस पूरे कंट्री को डिजिटलाइज कर पा रहे हैं तो हमारे सब लोगों का डाइट चार्ट हम लोगों के पास हो, उससे भी काफी बचत हो सकती है, मुझे ऐसा लगता है। और वो जो आपका सरप्लस है वो मूव होगा। कहीं ना कहीं पोस्ट हार्वेस्ट में बहुत कुछ हम लोगों ने किया है और अधिक करने की आवश्यकता है। सप्लाई चेन को मेंटेन सस्टेन करना ही होगा, लेकिन इससे भी बढ़कर जो बात है कि जितनी भी तकनीक हमारे पास है वो लोकल स्पेसिफिसिटी मांगती है कि आज रिसोर्सेज डेवलपमेंट जिस स्टेट में जैसा है एक सा उसको आंक नहीं सकते हैं। हमें लोकेशन स्पेसिफिसिटी पे जाना पड़ेगा कि वहाँ पे अवेलेबिलिटी क्या है और कहीं ना कहीं रूरल में एग्रो इंडस्ट्रीज की स्थापना के बारे में भी सोचना पड़ेगा। क्या हम कुछ क्लस्टर ऑफ विलेजेस पे ऐसा सोच सकते हैं कि जितना भी रूरल इकोनॉमी है वो वहाँ से गवर्न हो, चाहे एम्प्लॉयमेंट की बात है, चाहे रॉ मटेरियल को वहाँ यूज करने की बात है, उसकी प्रोसेसिंग की बात है, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन की बात है।
Components on which our country relies upon external supply. My second concern was, agriculture for economy generation. Today, if you see national bioeconomy scenario, bioeconomy means all biological processes by which we generate economy. For example, in agriculture, our BT cotton is a very good example. In agriculture, our precision agriculture is a very good example which contribute to bioeconomy. Our current value of bioeconomy is somewhere around 150 billion US dollars, which is approximately 4.25% of our GDP, national GDP. And here contribution of agriculture is only 8.2%. Now question is, can we go beyond 8.2% or not? That is our challenge. It means we have to do more and more things for entrepreneurship development. I give you a few examples. You see, let us just focus on northeast part because we are just organizing the conference here. Everybody says Northeast is famous for black rice. Everybody says Northeast is famous for, say, Cherrapunji bananas are very famous. People say that here pineapples are very good. Everyone says it. Correct? But now my next question comes, okay, this is the USP of this region and we should work on the USP of that region, no doubt about that. But then how we go to next level? That is the question. Suppose I was discussing with my friend, I said I want some black rice. He said I'll try to arrange. I said this is not the way. Suppose you go to Delhi and you say I want to eat a tikki, you know that there are thousands of shops where you will get golgappe, for which Delhi is famous. Thousands of shops are there. So what we realize here, 4 or 5 things. If you had to add economy to the agro produce, first of all, agro biodiversity is certainly very important. And we should work towards the agro biodiversity of the region. Like that's how said today is the World Biodiversity Day. So we should not forget even our agro biodiversity. Like Cherrapunji banana, if tomorrow it disappears, Naga chili if it disappears, Sohyong if it disappears, or your Siroy lily if it disappears, which is very unique to these places, where do we look for? So can we think a proper plan for economic generation using agriculture beyond food production? For example, do you have biomanufacturing hub throughout the region where people can go and process? For example, if you have excess pineapple, you go there and process it the way you like. Do you have agriculture-based industry here somewhere? In cities, we have to have some investment. So we need to think it from value addition point of view. You have a lot of traditional knowledge. Are there hubs that you convert that traditional knowledge into products? You remember in Kerala, very famous example, Dr. Pushpangandan had done. There was a Kani tribe, and in the forest they used to collect certain things which will give them a lot of energy. And they converted them into medicine and put them into the market. And now those tribals are so rich because now they are converting their knowledge into wealth. And it's important. So there are several such examples. So today we have to see our agriculture even from that point of view. So then if we tomorrow say that we convert some of the agro produce into some of the value added product, do we have value chain system in place or not? I think it's no more a merely production system. You will all agree or not? I think now we have moved from mere production system to value addition. We have moved towards entrepreneurship development. And today we mark agriculture as a mark of national prosperity, which several of our speakers have mentioned. And since our agriculture is safe now. You remember in 1950s when we were hardly producing 50 million tons of food grains, and today Ratsa was mentioning 332 million tons of food grains, feeding 1.4 billion of people. I think not an easy task. And that is the reason probably today we are thinking of establishing our satellite observatory. Today we are thinking of landing on the moon. Today we are thinking of taking picture of the sun. I think and that center of that had been the agriculture. Probably at times we don't realize how important work we all are doing. So I think that's what agriculture is all about. When we say agriculture and national prosperity, today you saw this time when the war took place, again science and technology came in the forefront, which saved our nation and which saved our livelihood. During COVID, our agriculture saved everybody. So science and technology, and particularly agriculture, one cannot deny. But at the same time, we cannot be happy with the current situation. Like we all are aware, the way we are increasing in numbers, like one of our experts mentioned that our genetic gain is hardly 1%. We want to enhance 2.4%, at least by 2050. Time window is very short. and that is need of the hour. If we have to feed 1.7 at least billion people in India by 2050, we have to do that.
Meghalaya Post.news.